Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing the Shadow Squares card using Scenic Coast DSP. So what I'm showing you is two cards you can make out of the one 6x6, because you only need a piece that is 3 by 4 inches long, and you can decide whether you want the black squares to be on the left or the right depending on your perspective. I like both types. So let's get started. This is what you need: a card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, a piece of colored cardstock that measures 4 by 5 1/4, 12 1-inch black squares, starting with a piece that is 3 by 4 and cutting into 12 squares. So it looks like this. This is the piece of DSP, the 3 by 4, and this is what it looks like when it's cut apart. So keep them in the order that you want so you can actually show the design in it. What I did was I made this lovely template. It's 4 by 5 1/4, and I cut 1-inch squares that are 1/4 inch apart, and I used this to create the template on here. Do you see that? So I used a pencil, because that is where you're going to put the black squares. So I did that first already, just to save some time. I'm going to go ahead and fold this over, line it up. There you go. So these are already done for here. So I can take those, ignore these parts. So there, and then same thing. So adhesive here on each spot, and then we're going to go ahead and put it either left or right, depending on your preference. Alright, so I'll break out my Stampin' and just put some adhesive just in the corner here of each one. I'm doing the left side. Oops. A little bit came off, but I will preserve it for the next piece. There. So then all you're doing, just be really consistent with how much border you're allowing. Obviously in a real card I put more adhesive. I just want to show you the technique. And I love this DSP because it does have a little shimmer to it for the sunsets. It's beautiful paper, and I think it's been unavailable a couple times and came back. That's how much this paper is popular. There you go. Flip that over. Put some more adhesive right here. I like doing clockwise, so I make sure my corners don't pop up. It should give you a little border here, enough border to pop out the white. And that is it. I'm not going to move that because that looks too pretty. I'm just going to cover it. And those are the ones. So thanks for letting me share this with you. The shadow square technique with the Scenic Coast DSP. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.